Want massive leg gains without lifting heavy weights? Think calisthenics is just for upper body strength? Think again. If you've been skipping leg day or struggling to build muscle using just bodyweight exercises, you're missing out on a game changer. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to building thick, strong, and explosive legs using nothing but calisthenics. You don't need a fancy gym or heavy weights, just your own body and the right techniques. Stick around to the end because we'll also reveal 2 major mistakes most people make that are killing their leg gains without even realizing it. Ready? Let's dive in. Why calisthenics leg training fails for many. Most people fail at calisthenics leg training because they choose the wrong exercises or use poor progressions. You either end up doing endless reps of easy exercises that don't challenge your muscles, or you go too hard and risk injury. The key is to find a balance, progressions that push your muscles to grow while allowing you to maintain proper form. Another common misconception is that calisthenics is only for the upper body. If you've ever seen elite calisthenics athletes, you'll know their legs are just as powerful as their arms. With the right approach, you can sculpt strong, muscular legs that can rival those built in the gym. Now, let's break down the most effective calisthenics leg exercises that will transform your lower body strength and aesthetics. The 4 best calisthenics leg exercises. 1. Bodyweight squats. The foundation of leg strength. Squats are the bread and butter of leg training. They hit your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving lower body stability. 1. Beginner, regular bodyweight squats, focusing on controlled movement. 2. Intermediate, jump squats, explode upward for extra power and muscle activation. 3. Advanced, pistol squats. These single-leg squats demand immense strength, balance, and flexibility. Pro tip: slow down the eccentric, lowering phase to maximize muscle engagement and growth. 2. Bulgarian split squats for balance and stability. This is a killer move for improving unilateral strength and fixing muscle imbalances. 1. Beginner, regular split squats with both feet on the ground. 2. Intermediate, Bulgarian split squats with your rear foot elevated. 3. Advanced, add explosive jumps to each representative or hold a weighted object for extra resistance. Why it works: by isolating each leg, you engage stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in traditional squats. 3. Cossack squats build flexibility and control. Cossack squats, also known as lateral squats, target your inner thighs, quads, and glutes while improving hip mobility. 1. Beginner, partial range of motion to get comfortable with the movement. 2. Intermediate, full depth squats, shifting weight side to side. 3. Advanced, hold a weight or perform the move slower to increase difficulty. Why it works: unlike regular squats, Cossack squats improve your lateral strength, crucial for overall athleticism. 4. Nordic curls. The ultimate hamstring builder. Nordic curls are one of the toughest but most effective hamstring exercises in calisthenics. They focus on the eccentric phase, leading to massive strength gains. 1. Beginner, use a resistance band or your arms for support. 2. Intermediate, partial range of motion without assistance. 3. Advanced, full range Nordic curls with no assistance. Pro tip: lower yourself as slowly as possible to maximize muscle activation. How to overload your legs without weights. Building muscle requires progressive overload, but how do you do that without weights? Here's how. 1. Increase reps and sets. Add more reps to push your muscles to fatigue. 2. Slow down movements. Time under tension is key. 2. Focus on controlled reps. 3. Use explosiveness. Jump squats, plyometric movements, and explosive step-ups boost power. 4. One-leg variations. Pistol squats, Bulgarian split squats, and step-ups place more load on each leg individually. Most common mistakes that kill your leg gains. Now, before you rush into these exercises, Let's talk about the two biggest mistakes that are sabotaging your progress. 1. Rushing the eccentric phase. The lowering portion of an exercise is where the real muscle growth happens. Too many people drop down too quickly and miss out on the benefits. Slow it down, control your movement, and you'll see massive improvements in strength and size. 2. Bouncing at the bottom of squats. This bad habit uses momentum instead of muscle activation. Not only does it reduce the effectiveness of the exercise, but it also increases joint stress and injury risk. Instead, pause at the bottom and engage your muscles properly. If you've been neglecting your legs or struggling to build strength with calisthenics, now is the time to change that. Implement these exercises, use proper progressions, and stay consistent. Within weeks, you'll notice stronger, more muscular legs. Want more in-depth guidance? Check out the Calisthenics Playbook, trusted by athletes in over 100 countries. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more game-changing training tips. Train smart, stay consistent, and let's get those legs strong.